In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide homes on Realtor.com. If you hit a listing to clean up your search and now want it back, here's exactly how to do it. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Realtor.com. You can type the address directly into the bar or use a search engine if that's quicker for you. When the results appear, click the official Realtor.com link. You'll recognize it by the .com domain and the familiar red and white branding. This takes you to the home page where you can manage your account and listings. Next, log in if you're prompted. Signing in is important because the hidden list is tied to your account. Enter your credentials and continue. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile avatar at the top of the page. Now, look toward the top right corner for the heart icon that sits near your profile. Click that heart, then choose Saved Listings. This page brings together the properties you've saved as favorites, recently viewed, and the ones you've hidden. On some screens, this may open a side panel. On others, it loads a full page. Either way, you're in the right place. Within Saved Listings, find the tab labeled Hidden or Hidden Homes and click it. This filters the view to only the properties you previously chose to hide from your search results. If you don't see the tab, it usually means there aren't any hidden homes on this account, or you may be on a different profile than the one that hid them. Scroll through the list to locate the property you want to restore. When you find it, click the Unhide button. Depending on your view, this may appear as an eye icon with a line through it. Clicking it removes the hidden status and puts the home back into your search results. You won't need to rerun any special steps. Simply return to your normal searches and the listing will appear again when it matches your filters. If a home doesn't reappear right away, refresh the page or revisit your search to pull the latest results. That's all there is to it. Search for Realtor.com, open the official site, log in, go to Saved Listings via the heart icon, open the Hidden tab, and click Unhide on the property you want restored. Thanks for watching and happy home hunting.